Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are just seeing my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Fikemi, and if you're a returning subscriber or a viewer, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Now today I won Champion Me, one of Oraimo Nigeria's challenges that they had, I think on Twitter. I don't know if they had it on Instagram, but I won this particular challenge on Twitter. I will leave the details of the challenge in the description box. But they sent me this box, even though it has a Christmas hat or Santa's hat. It was supposed to be kind of like Christmas unboxing, but it came, it's here, that's all that matters. And I was, really excited to have one. I have a victory dance, but I will just insert some little clips. So Oraimo, thank you so much for sending me this box. Thank you so much for picking me as a winner for your contest, I guess. So if you would like to see what is inside this box, then keep on watching. Now, before I open up the box, the rules of the challenge were pretty clear. I just had to answer a few questions and I submitted the questions and I guess I won. So obviously one of the prizes was to be the Freepods 2, the 2 Baba tuned edition. I think that was the catch for this particular challenge. And I think most of the challenges they ran during the festive period. So it was a 50-50 thing. Me winning and me not winning. But the thing is that I won. Okay, so I'm going to open up the box and let's just see what this box contains. So opening up the box, the very first thing that stands out obviously is the Oraimo. Hey, good. The Oraimo Freepods 2, the 2 Baba tuned edition. If you know how long I've been meaning to get this particular AirPods. If you know how much this thing is, please help me check. Just help me check how much it is. Then you will understand where I'm coming from. So this is the star of the show. This is the Oraimo Freepods 2, the 2 Baba tuned edition. So I'll be unboxing this separately. So look out for that video. But yes, this is the very first item in the box. Let's put that somewhere. Now the second item is an umbrella, and these rains that we're having in February, like, I don't understand, like climate change, global warming. I think some people will believe it now in Nigeria that things are changing. Like, we're not supposed to have rains in February, but here we are, rains. So it is branded Oraimo Smart Accessories, and it's a bottle umbrella. These are quite popular. I don't have one of these. I have the more handbag friendly type umbrellas. So this is going to be a first. So I'm just going to open this up. Let's see, people. Umbrella. It's been a while I opened an umbrella. Forgive me. Open sesame. Haha. So it's branded Oraimo as well, which is, which is cool. So that is an umbrella from Oraimo. Now the next in this box, let's put this somewhere. Next in this box is a notebook. Now this is what the notebook looks like. It has Keep Exploring, the Oraimo logo, and at the back, Keep Exploring as well, and some more details on it. And it's a ruled notebook, so it's going to make a very good journal with this bookmark. I like journals with bookmarks, like you never miss a thing, especially when you have to keep up to date with things that you write in books like this. So this is a very thoughtful gift from Oraimo. Thank you very much for this. I've been meaning to get one of these actually, so yeah. So the next item in this box is a vacuum flask. And I don't drink water, so this is going to be a very, 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 very good way to get me to drink water. The flask is really, really pretty, and it's something that it's hard to miss because of the neon green color. It's going to be interesting to drink out of this flask. And the next item is another notebook, and this time a pocket notebook. This is what it looks like. And I like the fact that this can fit into my handbag, or even if I'm not carrying a handbag, just a purse and I'm moving, and you know, it also has a bookmark, so you never miss a thing. Thank you, Oraimo, for this. Now, the next item is this t-shirt. I've opened it up before, so I know it's a t-shirt. But I'm just going to open it up now to show you what it looks like. This is a little bit large, but I will see how I can style it. So yes, this is the t-shirt that came in the box. And the very last item, sorry, not the last item, but second to the last item, is this Oraimo pen. I like the color, I like the shape of the pen. It actually has these grips on the side, and it's a click pen. So with all the notebooks and with all the notepads, I am sweating, man. The weather is hot. With all the notebooks and all the notepads, pen is a brilliant idea. Thank you, Oraimo. And last, and definitely the least in the box, is this carry-on bag in this color, which is pretty decent. And I like the fact that the characters, or the abstract characters at the bottom of the bag, are expressions or emojis of everything Oraimo offers. There are phone cases, chargers, earpieces, you have music logo, you have hands-free, a whole lot of stuff, and the Oraimo, the eye logo of the Oraimo. So this is a very good carry-on bag. This is going to stand out, it's going to make a statement wherever this bag goes. So thank you very much, Oraimo. So thank you once again to the Oraimo team for picking me as a winner. Thank you for everything that that box had. I was not expecting to be wowed. So don't forget, if you would like to hear my thoughts and hear my comments about the Oraimo Freepods 2, the 2BABA tuned edition. Now, I know there are so many reviews on the internet, there are so many reviews here on YouTube, but you haven't heard my review. So if you would like to know what my thoughts are on this particular product, watch out for that video. And if you have no idea of why I'm so excited to get this particular box, is because it's a step up from my A6S TWS earbuds. So these guys are like my OG pods, but you know, this is a step in the right direction. So thank you so much, Oraimo, once again. Now, if you have gotten this far in my video, please consider subscribing if you are not. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.